Today I wanted to show off a method that I use with kind of a cool tool that I had come across called Vibe. The project is on GitHub, but what it does is allow you to transcribe videos. So I bring it up here. The interface is pretty simple. It works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. You can use a video that you have downloaded. You can record from a microphone straight into Vibe and it will transcode it to text, or you can link from a video. YouTube is a pretty good example, but I think anything that it can access, it should be able to transcribe. What Vibe is you're bringing in a LLM, a language model that is geared towards transcribing text. And so the faster and more capable your machine is, the better this will work. But what I do with this tool is I teach computer science and I do a lot of projects. Some students learn really well by video, others work by reading and demonstration. There's a lot of different methods that students use to learn, and when students are just beginning off, there'll be a lot of step-by-step projects. If the student is in class following along with me, that's fine. But for those that are absent and need to catch up, what I do is typically record my lesson and then they'll be able to go back and watch that. But some of them would prefer text. They don't like to watch video. And so what I've started doing is using Vibe to transcribe the video and then using AI to turn that into a lesson plan. So I've got this video here of me in Fusion 360 with one of the basic projects where we're creating a door plate. And the students can just follow along in that video and create this plate, but some of them don't like that. So what I will do is take this video, put it into Vibe, and let it transcribe that video. And this will take some time. So here is Vibe. It's finished the transcription. If you come down here to the bottom, you can see that the text is out here. It pulled all that text out of it. It does a pretty darn good job. You can copy or you can save the transcript. It does give you some different options that you can use: text, HTML, PDF, doc, SRT, VDT, JSON. But what I'm going to do is just copy that. And what I'll do is come over here to Gemini, kind of using a short one, just that you're a computer science teacher, take this audio transcript from a lesson about Fusion 360 and create a step-by-step lesson plan that students can follow to create the project. And then I'm going to paste the transcript in and hit submit. So what I would do is take this, I would clean it up, make sure that everything is correct. And then what I'll do is go back to the video, and at the end of each step, I'll paste in an image that the students will be able to see that they are on track or not. But if I come back up here to the top, you'll see that it actually is bringing in some softer materials, duration. That's a little overblown, but it also brings an objective and define around the corners, many nums, smell text. That's not too bad. I would probably tweak that a little bit as well, but really you can kind of tweak these things. You do have to look over it because, it's AI. It's not 100% correct and it can kind of make things up, but I have found that it's actually pretty close. There's just a few things that I have to tweak. What I'll usually do is follow it myself and see if I can follow these instructions, and then tweak them as I go along. And then what I'll do in Canvas, which is the LMS that we use, I'll put the video and this text. The students have the option of either choosing the video to do the project, to make it up, or they can use the text to do it, depending on their preference. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, please click subscribe. Have a great day.